In this video, I'm going to show you how to install this 3D printed tray for the Dreamcast GDEMU. This tray not only makes the inside of the Dreamcast more cosmetically pleasing, but will also maintain proper internal cooling airflow and keep you from losing your SD cards inside of the console. If you're interested in 3D printing your own tray, I provided links in the description below the video. To install the tray, first take the base part and align it with the screw holes. Take one of the original GD-ROM screws and screw down the back of the tray, making sure it is snug but not too tight. Take your GDEMU and plug it into the Dreamcast. Since we're using the tray, the standoffs that come with the GDEMU are not needed. Use the remaining 2 screws from the original GD-ROM drive and tighten down the GDEMU to the tray using the 2 upper holes. If your GDEMU came with a long screw, you can use that to tighten down the lower left screw hole. Again, these should be snug but not tight. Take the 3D printed shield part and insert into the upper Dreamcast case, aligning the circular nub with the matching indent on the shield. This should fit tight enough so that the shield will stay in place. Take the lid and slide it down onto the Dreamcast, making sure everything lines up. Once it is back together, you can insert the remaining 4 screws to tighten down the case.